Man. So many great projects are coming out. Seedify is the top launchpad where most of these great projects will release, and they have a lineup. It is crazy. They have so much good stuff that is coming out very soon, and I want to talk about one of them in this video. It's much anticipated, and for the people that have no idea, crypto gaming, man, it's gonna be super bullish. The total crypto gaming market cap is now capitalized, whatever, I'm Dutch, at $20 billion, give or take. It's Internet Computer is here as well. I don't know if that's correct, but $20 billion, man. If you do take a look at the crypto market at the moment, what's worth $20 billion? Cardano, right? So if you just know that the entire crypto gaming market is worth just as much as this thing, then yeah, then there's a lot of room to grow actually. So let's take a look at the project that I am currently taking a look at. This has been one of the projects that I have seen Seedify being so hyped about for like in a long time, and that's Storm Warfare. Now, Storm Warfare is in first instance a trading card game, and you might feel like, man, why trading card game? Like, what's so interesting about that? What I believe in is that although there are many more great projects like Bloodloop, for example, or Xverse or whatever, a lot of good projects which are super triple A. I do think that the smallest and the most accessible, addictive things are going to be the biggest winners. I mean, look, last run where we had Axie. Yeah, sorry, no offense, but Axie looks nothing like what's coming out this cycle at random, right? Like Axie wasn't that great. It wasn't, but it's simple. It's addictive. It know how it has to adopt the masses, right? And therefore, I do believe that trading card games like Storm Warfare is something that can do extremely well. Now, also, this is more than just a trading card game. I'm gonna show you. So in this video, I would like to just introduce you to the project, tell you how you can get in, and I will review it, after the IDO as well and talk a little bit about it. But if you, for example, take a look at one other trading card game, which is of course super popular, which is Gods Unchained, you can see that that currently has a market cap of $80 million. And to be honest, it's far from where it came. Market cap here was not that much higher, of course, compared to the price because a lot more tokens got vested. But if you do take a look at the market cap, you can see that it was sitting at $250 million. In a bull market, it doesn't matter. Even just a trading card game can do like crazy. And at a certain point, this thing was worth more than Seedify, right? I'm not saying that this will do the same, but hey, maybe it does. I don't know, right? But it's at least not impossible. Now, Storm Warfare, how they describe it, a groundbreaking free-to-play collectible card game that brings the iconic battlefields of World War II to life. The game seamlessly blends the thrill of strategic warfare with the revolutionary power of Web3 ecosystem, where players can truly own and trade their in-game assets. So they are really about the ownership. But what's so cool about this is the developer is Janus Interactive. Now, what do we buy here? We don't buy this token. We buy the gaming studio, right? The Jan token. As you can see right here, ticker Jan. So for the people that feel like, yeah, we're investing in a trading card game, not just that. It's the studio that we are investing in. And the Storm Warfare is just their first game basically. Right now, yeah, you can take a look at a lot of gaming studios. You probably know the most popular one, which is GALA. And even though GALA took a very big hit in the last bear market, as you can see right here, it's still sitting at an $800 million market cap. At a certain point, their market cap was sitting at $5 billion, like $5.5 billion. $5.5 billion, right? Now that's a lot, but there are so many. Well, there are so many gaming studios by now, and even that's going to be very competitive, right? But therefore, I love to invest in these early things, because these early things, you can buy it from ground zero basically, and if it goes lower or doesn't do what you want, hey, go get a refund policy and get your refund, right? And if it does well, you bought it at the bottom anyway, right? So that's so interesting about it. So I want to take a little look at it, go over it very quickly in this video, just introduce you to it, and then in the next videos we're going to talk about, okay, what's up with the, you know, the tokenomics, the team behind it, what's on the plans, etc. What I like, the open beta period has ended. We thank everyone who participated, blah, blah, blah. They already have a working product, right, before the token releases. So you can already play the game, right? Now, they have a lot of avatars. They have these battle boards, illustrations, legendary heroes, and collectible in-game cards, in-game cards. So there's a lot when it comes to NFTs. What I like on the website, they make it very about the game. Right? Because if you look at sometimes you open up a crypto project's website and you see contract address, buy here, No, what is it, right? They make it very clear. This is what we do, right? This is how you play the game. Very simple. Here you can see step by step by step. And oh yeah, we're gonna have a sale as well. They have their focus on the right place, and that's what I really like about this project. Therefore, that's one of the big reasons why I'm interested. And it's not doing bad already. 220,000 matches are played with 26,000 hours of gameplay and 14,000 unique players. That's a lot. That's really, really, really well for such a new project, and that's the most important thing. You can hype the tokenomics, you can hype the pre-sale, but what do we need a token for, right? Well, if the game is popular, people want to have the token to spend it on the game, to get better, to get more in-game assets, to level up, whatever you can do with it. We'll see what the use case is, right? So many projects, they take it the wrong way. There's so much about the token, but then you feel like, okay, yeah, but why do we need a token in the first place, right? Well, they make sure that their product is popular, and then people want to have the token, and that's interesting. So the sale should be somewhere in the first half of January, but we'll see how it goes. But keep following them. Follow them on Twitter, I would say, at Storm Warfare. If you want to get in, you should have Seedify tokens, the S-Fund token. I think everybody by now how it works, but if you don't know, just go to CoinGecko or whatever, type in S-Fund, and you can see in the markets where you can buy the S-Fund token. You have to have at least 500 tokens to get the lowest tier, and then you can work your way up. These are the exchanges. Stake them on the Seedify platform, and it makes you liable to participate in these releases like Storm Warfare. But they have like 10 lined up right now, so it's gonna get really interesting. They have these AMAs right here, so you can check that out. They're super transparent when it comes to that. So I want to make this a short one actually, because the rest of the information is coming out yet, and there's not much to talk about for now, except that they really, unlike a lot of other projects, like I said, focus on the actual product. In one of the next videos, because I always would like to discuss what I'm personally investing in, I would like to talk about Farcana. It's a third-person team ability shooter set in a I'm Dutch, sci-fi landscape, which looked really interesting to me as well. So I would like to review this project. They already raised $300,000 for the project. And well, talking about raises, let's talk about raises by then. Let's talk about numbers also when it comes to Storm Warfare, because there is a lot of interesting stuff going on in the crypto gaming space. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on. See you soon.